Is Darkpulse Inc stock a buy? Darkpulse closed the session of the 6th of April 2021 at $0.167, a 3.41% gain. $48.1 million, 48.1 million shares crossed the tape, which is regarded as below average. And we have a position in Darkpulse. You can see it has a market cap of $68.3 million, 4.89 billion shares outstanding, or rather 4.089 billion shares. And moving down, that there is some piece of news here, and it says that Darkpulse, a technology company focused on the manufacture, sale, installation, and monitoring of laser sensing systems based on its patented BOTDA Darkpulse sensor technology, which provides data streaming of critical metrics for assessing the health and security of infrastructure, is pleased to announce that its common shares have been approved for DTC full service eligibility by the Depository Trust Company and can now be both traded and serviced through DTC electronic book entry systems. So moving down, what does DTC mean? It says companies approved for DTC electronic transfers often experience higher volumes of trading in their securities, given the additional availability and accessibility of shares for trading. Applying for and being approved for DTCC is in line with the company's expansion goals and focus on sales. With Darkpulse's shares now DTC eligible, they anticipate greater liquidity, execution speeds, as well as our shares being accessible to a broader range of investors. Okay, so moving on, we can see we've digested that piece of news. We going back up, we can see that indeed the stock is evidently strongly bullish of late. So we will just go down and see what the readout says. Obviously, the unbalanced volume indicator also looks positive as well. I believe the MACD histogram should be above 0 and rising, and we can equally see that the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is definitely strongly bullish. It says Darkpulse appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Evidently, its 100-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is indeed above 0 and rising, but it is lagging the S&P 500 for some reason. Momentum for Darkpulse is strongly bullish as well. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for shares. The volume for that session, the 6th of April 2021, was lighter than usual, trading 48.131 million shares versus an average of 133.985 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer-term accommodation has given way to near-term selling pressure by traders. Okay, so all right, so we're seeing a mix of things: strong momentum but low volume. So it actually gained 3.41% on low volume. So which is not which does not exactly mean the best. It's not exactly the best, certain market analysts prefer to see strong gain or any gain at all on strong volumes, but this was achieved on low volume. So on the contrary, that might also sound good to you, but technically speaking, we can see it's currently trading at a huge premium, a significant premium to its short-term trend line. So the 20-day trend line is currently at 0.013. The 10-day trend line is at $0.012. So it's trading at a premium to them, especially the 10-day trend line. So our price target is nothing more than 0.025 during this month of April 2021. We don't expect it to continue to skyrocket beyond that price point, that 0.025, but indeed we could always be wrong. But Darkpulse definitely rocks a lot of positive signals. It's just that the volume is not exactly that high. So given all this positive signals, we hope probably in the subsequent session, given this positive news, that something good might happen, and indeed it might extend beyond this 0.025 we just set as our target, as our maximum target. So, but the news already is not new. So it came out during the session of that day. So yeah, all in all, we don't expect Darkpulse to extend beyond 0.025. But what can I really say? It's trading at a premium to its short-term trend lines, but I don't. If you're going to join in, if you're going to buy the stock, buy it on its fundamentals. On the very short term, I would just say just hold on. It's strongly bullish. But if you want to disregard that because better things are happening, and also because it's also trading at a discount to its intermediate trend line, you can always do so. So that's our take. No, we don't expect it to extend beyond 0.025 in this month, April 2021. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video again.